Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the Huawei Y7p, and this phone comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery size with a 6.4-inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also we have this punch hole display on the front. As you can see on the back, we have a triple cameras on the back. We have a 48 megapixel main sensor. So in this video I'm gonna show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100%. Right now the battery percentage on this phone is at 0%, and you can see we have this little bit battery on this phone, and you can see right now the battery percentage on the Y7p it is at 1%, and you can see right now it is automatically off. So now let's show you the charger that actually comes with right out of the box with the Huawei Y7p, and you can see here is the charger and here is the cable. And the pay rating on this charger, we have 5 volt with 2 ampere charger. It is a 10 watt normal adapter. We don't have any fast charging with this phone right out the box. We get normal adapter, and also we have this micro USB cable because this phone does not support USB-C. As you can see, this is a micro USB with a USB-A option on the another side. So without any wasting time, insert the USB-A into the charger, and the power source is on, and you can see we have this switchboard. Let's insert this charger into the power source into the switchboard. Now insert the charger into the power source, and here is the cable. Now let's insert the cable into the phone, and you can see this phone is showing me that charging is start as you can see. So now let's calculate the time on my Oppo Reno 3. Now let's go to the my clock and go to the stopwatch start, and you can see right now the battery percentage on this phone is at 1%, and this phone is powered by Huawei Kirin 710F chipset, which is based on 12 nanometer architecture. So now I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So see you guys after half hour. Let's see how much this phone is charged in 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So now let's see the battery percentage on the Huawei Y7p, and the battery percentage on the Huawei Y7p is at 27%. It means that 27% battery is done in half hour. So now let's quickly boot this phone up that we do in our daily life. And guys, I have to say that the speed of charging is average on this phone. I have to say right now I don't feel that this battery charging speed is really bad. It is good, I have to say, but not the fastest in the world, I have to say. And you can see, and everything is off in this phone. As you can see, Wi-Fi is off. I don't have SIM card in this phone as well. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So let's see how much this phone is charged from 27% to whatever percent in next 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour. So now let's see the battery percentage on the Huawei Y7p, and the battery percentage on the Y7p is at 56%, and you can see 56% battery is done in 60 minutes. So now I will be back after 1 hour 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and 35 minutes. So now let's see the battery percentage on the Huawei Y7p, and the battery percentage on the Y7p is at 82%. It means that 82% battery is done in 1 hour and 35 minutes. So now I will be back when phone is fully charged up to 100%. So see you guys when phone is fully charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back after 2 hours and 17 minutes, and my Huawei Y7p it is fully charged up to 100%. As you can see, it is fully charged up to 100%. So overall I have to say the battery charging speed it is not the fastest in the world, but I have to say that the Samsung Galaxy A20s give you a 15-watt fast charger, but Huawei give you a 10-watt fast charger. I have to say that the battery charging speed it is average on this phone, not good, not excellent. So that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Huawei Y7p. Let me know what you guys think about this new Huawei Y7p with the 48 megapixel triple cameras, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And thank you so much for watching this video, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Huawei Y7p. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.